Hi everyone! Welcome to today's review video. Today I'm going to be reviewing a dust collector by MelodySusie, so stay tuned! Okay, so jumping right in and unboxing the dust collector, you've got the warranty information and it just gives you the warranty and stuff. You should go over that. It also comes with the instructions, which I'm not going to use. It's pretty straightforward. You just plug in the file, or not the file, plug in the dust collector and then use it. And then when you take it out of the packaging, it comes with the the dust collector and the cord to plug it in. And look at it, it's a round dust collector. I've never had this before. I've only had like the square shape, and it's really small. It can fit into both of my hands really easily. I'm taking off the cover, and then the filter is right underneath that, and that's round of course. And then there's the fans. So yeah, it's very interesting shape, very sleek, pretty, small, a bunch of good things. And another thing I didn't even realize is this dust collector is, you can use it cordless. You don't have to keep it plugged in. It's a rechargeable dust collector. So that's super cool too. I had no idea. I'm over here filming all this stuff with it plugged in, but yeah, you can use it without the cord. It's rechargeable and cordless. So something different about this dust collector versus the other ones I've used is that this one has settings that you can use. So it has like low, medium, and high suction, I suppose. And I thought that was interesting. I've never seen that before. So here I'm just testing out the different like levels of it, and I tried it on the lowest suction, medium, and high. In the next clips you'll see how loud it is, but at this point I'm just putting a bunch of random things on the dust collector to see how well the dust collector holds on to these items. And these pamphlets are pretty thick and it's holding on to them pretty well, so I think that's a good sign. Good. It's quiet, right?
Yes.
Yeah, it's very quiet. Yeah, look. Yeah. It sucks it up pretty well. I was worried because it's so small.
Yeah.
But and it has three I put, what did I put? I put like a paper towel on there, I put the pamphlet on there, and I put their card, and it like held all three of them because they're like thicker. But yeah, that's felt pretty good. I like it. Yeah, nice and small, not all up in the way, you know? So my final thoughts on the MelodySusie dust collector is, yes, I like the shape of it. I like that it's not too loud and that it's nice and small, so it's not all clunky and in the way, and it actually really sucks up the dust really well. So definitely recommend this one. I will leave the information down below for you to purchase your own along with a discount code. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!